West Indies white ball coach, Darren Sammy, has shown his hands, reaching out to the likes of Andre Russell, Sunil Narine, Shimron Hetmyer, and Evan Lewis. That is basically his first move in trying to improve the fortunes of the white ball teams. Now, for the record, Sunil Narine and Andre Russell are 35 and 35 respectively. Some ways past their best. All four players have shown little or no commitment to West Indies cricket in recent years. One would have hoped that Sammy's approach would have been a little bit more strategic and medium to long-term based. I mean, at this rate, Sammy soon call back the universe boss and then call back himself as captain. And again, these are the things why West Indies cricket done rubbish. Neither the cricket board nor the coach should be begging and coercing uncommitted players to play for the West Indies under any circumstances. And as long as we continue down this senseless, visionless, shameless road, West Indies cricket not going nowhere. Nowhere.